Take away the Wi-Fi. Alright, I made the other drone confrontations that I had here on the channel in uncut versions, so now it is time to post another one, as you seem to be responding pretty well on these. What you will see now is the uncut version of my interaction with a farmer when I went outside the city to fly with my drone, thinking that I could just stand in a remote location without being disturbed flying my drone. And I did this mainly because I was starting to run into problems on the normal place where I'm performing the majority of my tests. So I thought this time I would go outside the city limit actually, and then park at the roadside where I could conduct my testing and make videos for you guys without anybody interfering. But again, I was wrong, and when you least expect it, somebody shows up and wants to know what's going on. So what do you think about situations like these, and what are you doing to mitigate those? I actually made a new initiative. I made a printout folder based on recommendations from some of you guys, where I'm stating the rules that are currently applying for flying sub 250 gram drones. There are also QR codes for easy access to useful resources to understand what is allowed and what is not allowed. There's even a link to a map where you can look up and see the fly zones and the no-fly zones that are currently active. This might not be relevant for the majority of you because it's written in Danish and it only links to the tools that can be used here locally. But feel free to check it out. Maybe you can use this template as an inspiration for doing your own version you could benefit from when you're out flying next. It's really handy to have something in writing that, at least as the first paragraph states, that you should not interfere with an active drone flight. So I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below so you can go check it out, even though you don't really understand what's on the sheet. And if you're from Denmark, you're free to use it at your will, and hopefully that will help you next time you're out flying when you are running into people that want to disturb your business. So this is the uncut version of my interaction with a local farmer. Take away the Wi-Fi. Så. Og nu. Hej. Nej. Det er det ikke. Nej, det gør jeg ikke. Jeg lever af det her. Så jeg lever af det her.
Okay. Ja, vi har vel kigget på en anden før.
Ja, det tror jeg. Du er landmanden derovre, ikke? Jo.
Jeg er ikke dernede bagved.
Ja, okay. Ja, jeg mener, du har været snakket med mig før, hvor vi har snakket om...
Men det var bare nu her 2 gange her.
Nej. Det kan du være helt sikker på, det ikke er.
Filmer nede i min have, altså, hvor vi...
Jamen, det skal du ikke finde dig i. Det må man ikke. Ved du hvad, lad mig lige lande den her. Lige 2 sekunder. Fordi den er ved at løbe tør for batteri. Sådan der. Nej, det må man sgu ikke.
Nej, men det er jo...
Altså, det er...
Hvad er de offentlige beføjelser i den sammenhæng?
Jamen, det er jo straffeloven, så hvad er det 264 E, der træder i kraft der?
Noget med landbrug, altså de offentlige godt må overflyve mine arealer.
Ja, det kan godt være. Det skal jeg ikke kunne sige, men som privatperson må de. Men jeg kan ikke forestille mig, at de må gøre det uden at spørge om lov.
Politistat, vi har. Nej, det fik jeg at vide, fordi jeg har aldrig blevet spurgt om lov, og så sagde jeg, ja, men de filmede al landbrugsjord.
Nå.
Det står sikkert i en eller anden paragraf eller sådan.
Nej, jeg holder mig til den aftale, vi lavede sidst, om at jeg flyver over din mark, og nogle gange har jeg fløjet lidt den vej ned, men aldrig op mod din...
Det er bare op over vores hus, det er ikke
Nej, det er i orden. Tak. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.